Hello and welcome to our video on the top superfoods that are high in nutrients that you should include in your diet. It's a great idea to evaluate our eating patterns as we begin a new year in order to make improvements to our health. Superfoods that are high in nutrients are one way to achieve this. We'll discuss what superfoods are in this video, the advantages of including them in your diet, and some specific superfoods that you should think about including in your meals. What are superfoods? Superfoods are nutrient-dense foods with a long list of health advantages. They are typically made of plants and come in a variety of shapes and sizes, including grains, legumes, fruits, and vegetables. Superfoods are frequently rich in fiber, antioxidants, and other nutrients necessary for preserving good health. Why then should you think about including superfoods in your diet? Eating superfoods has a lot of advantages. They can, among other things, strengthen your immune system and keep you healthy. Additionally, a lot of superfoods are high in fiber, which can help with digestion and keep you feeling satisfied and full. Superfoods are frequently high in antioxidants as well, which may help lower the risk of developing chronic illnesses like cancer and heart disease. Let's now discuss some specific superfoods that you should think about including in your diet. 1. Blueberries. These small, sweet berries are packed with antioxidants and are a great source of fiber. They can help to improve brain function and reduce the risk of heart disease. 2. Kale. This leafy green is high in vitamins A, C, and K, as well as calcium and iron. It's also a good source of antioxidants and can help to lower cholesterol levels. 3. Quinoa. This grain is high in protein and contains all 9 essential amino acids. It's also a good source of fiber, iron, and other minerals. 4. Chia seeds. These tiny seeds are packed with nutrients, including fiber, protein, and omega-3 fatty acids. They can help to improve digestion and heart health. 5. Sweet potatoes. These root vegetables are high in vitamin A and contain other important nutrients such as potassium and vitamin C. They are also a good source of fiber and can help to regulate blood sugar levels. In conclusion, including superfoods in your diet can have a number of positive effects on your health. They are nutrient-rich and can help to strengthen your immune system, enhance digestion, and lower your risk of developing chronic